learn for count number of small animal and insect. In Japanese, they use the unit of hiki to count for small animal and insect. As you see in the picture, we have a small dog, cat, mouse, butterfly, and ant. So the small animal like this, in Japanese they use the unit of hiki to count, but the word hiki, it has three sounds: hiki, biki, biki. And the sound will change when you put the number in front of the word hiki. Let's look some example. Ibiki, ibiki, nihiki, nihiki. When you use the ibiki with a dog, it means one dog. If you use nihiki with cat, it means two cats, something like this. And from now we are going to learn for counting by using the unit of hiki. Sanbiki, sanbiki, yonhiki, yonhiki, gohiki, gohiki, rokuhiki, rokuhiki, or loppiki, or you can say loppiki, which it has the same meaning and the same kanji, but just has only two sounds. Nanahiki, nanahiki, hachihiki, hachihiki, or you can say hapiki, hapiki, kyuhiki, kyuhiki, jupiki, jupiki. And when you want to make the question, you can say nanbiki, nanbiki. And if you want to say in the polite form, you can say nanbiki desu ka, nanbiki desu ka, which means how many. If you use nanbiki with a dog, it might mean how many dogs. If you use with a cat, it means how many cats. Now let's see some example of how to use the unit of hiki to count for small animal and insect. The first example, Yamada-san wa 3匹の猫を飼ってます。Yamada-san wa 3匹の猫を飼ってます。Which means Yamada-san has 3 cats. Yamada-san has 3 cats. Tanaka-san wa 何匹の犬を飼ってますか？田中さんは何匹の犬を飼ってますか？ Which means, how many dogs does Tanaka-san have? For the first sentence, this should notice the 3匹の猫. That means 3 cats. When you use 3匹 with a cat, that means 3匹の猫. It means 3 cats. But if you use with a dog, you may say 3匹の犬. That means 3 dogs, something like this. And for the second sentence, we have 何匹の犬, right? 何匹の犬,何匹 that means how many. But if you use with a dog, inu, that means